Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to reveal to you how you can export and save your entire workspace from Notion, for example, to save it separately on your device, like a computer or desktop or a laptop computer. So let us show you how to do that really quickly. Head over to Notion, log into your account. And then the first step, guys, select the workspace you would like to export in the top left. So let me go with that workspace for the sake of this tutorial. After that, head over to the given workspace's settings here. And what you want to do after that is head over to the workspace general settings on the left hand side, scroll down a bit, and here you see a section called export. So simply click on export all workspace content below, just like that. Decide in which file format you would like to download or export your workspace, like for example CSV or PDF or HTML, and so on and so forth. Include the databases below, like the current view or the default view, and decide whether it should include content, everything, or only without files or images, and so on and so forth, guys. So once it's done, simply click on export here, wait for the exporting process to be finished. That may or may not take a moment, of course, depending on the workspace content, of course, and the file size. So you may close that window and simply wait for the exporting job to be finished. After that, you will receive a shareable or a download link via email from Notion to download your exported file of your workspace. And that's it, guys. That's how it works in practice. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.